see this crack in the concrete? It's not really huge and it's not causing any great big problems, but we really should fix it before it gets any larger. Cracks in cement don't always mean that you have to rip up all of the concrete and re-pour the slab. You can buy some time with a few quick tips. You can fill the crack with mortar, or you can use a polyurethane sealant, which is what I'm using here. But before you begin, you want to make sure that the area is clean and dry and that it's free of oil, grease, or any loose materials. I've already cleaned the area and now I'm going to brush it away to make sure that I get all of the loose particles out of the way. Now, because this is a ready-to-use product, all you have to do is squeeze the trigger and let it go right in the crack. Now use a putty knife or a small trowel to smooth it out. And with this product, you do want to dampen the putty knife just a little bit. As this dries, the gray color will blend in with the existing concrete. And here's another tip for you. You want to use this product when the weather is warm and when you're not expecting any rain, because it does take about 25 hours for this product to cure. With these quick tips, you can add years to your concrete.